Hey guys, Namaste, welcome to our YouTube channel Tutor Pratik. Today we are going to learn how to block someone in Facebook, how to unblock someone in your Facebook, and how to tag someone in your Facebook. So watch this video till the end. First of all, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell button, and please like and share this video. So let's begin. Let's go to the Facebook. You can block anyone else you don't like to connect with them, or either anyone making disturbing you in your Facebook, you can block them. To block anyone in the Facebook, open that person's Facebook profile. After then, click on the three dots and then click on block. After this, just click on the confirm to confirmation to blocking that person. User block. Congrats, you're done. You blocked that person you want. Similarly, if you want to unblock any persons that you blocked before dates, just go to your options, this triangle, and click on settings. After then, you can see the blocking option in your left side and click on this blocking. Then you can see the list of the blocked persons that you made before. Then just click on this unblock link whom you want to unblock from your Facebook page. After then, for confirmation, click on this confirm button to unblock that person. Now that person unblocked from your Facebook profile. Now if you want to tag your friends in your post, while creating your post, just click on this tag friends. Then type the name of your friend whom you want to tag. Now you can create posts with tagging your friends. Similarly, if you want to tag someone in your photo, just open your picture and choose whom you want to tag and click on the head of that person. If that person is listed on this list, you can just hit click. But if that person is not listed in this list, you can just type the name. After then, just choose which one you want to tag and click on it. You can tag anyone else, either that is your Facebook friend or not. Just click on the picture and type the name for searching that person whom you want to tag. Thank you for watching this video. We'll come back again with new tricks and tips videos. Until that, take care and goodbye.